Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. Oh, I feel old today guys. Go back and watch the last video. Riding the floodplains. Oh, what a day. That was probably the hardest day of my life. I'm sore today. I'm going to get a bit of miles up. I'd like to stay another night here, but there's no Wi-Fi or anything. And I'm only watching Netflix on my phone, so I think I'll get a bit up the road. Guys, I'm wrecked. And let's embarrass this young girl here. Yes, well, the food here's good. I'm just waiting for a coffee and my breakfast. And then I'll go and start packing. And we're all ready to go. I'm not going to tell you how far I'm going today because I jinxed myself in the last video. I was so confident I was only going to do 2 hours yesterday, 2.5 hours. I ended up doing 7 or 8 guys. That was really one of the hardest days of my life. Now, the problem is with fuel, all the fuel comes from Medan, so it's stuck the other side of that water. So all the fuel stations I went to yesterday were had no fuel because it's been 27 days since that floodplain's been up. They sell bottled fuel across here in China, in India and Pakistan. I did that all the time, but here they've got a fuel that they mix with palm oil, the last of the palm oil process. So it's an alcohol. Well, it's a burnable alcohol. And I just don't really want to put that in my bike, but I don't think I've got a choice. I'm going to have to put a few litres in anyway. Make sure I get up the road a bit. I'm not sure if it's blue or green. If it's green, it's got the palm oil extract. If it's blue, that's just the normal colour they put in the fuel. But I'm just putting 3 of these bottles in. And that'll do me for emergencies. I can get some more down the road if I need to. I just stopped to get sunglasses number 20 for the trip because the last ones just fell apart in my helmet as I was riding along. But yeah, I'm the curiosity of the village. But let's go guys, let's go. Well guys, today I feel my full 57 years old. I'm sore all over. There's a hotel about half an hour up the road, so I think that's going to be it for the day. Oh yeah, I've had enough. Janet didn't want me to do anything today, but I figured, I knew this hotel was here. About 2 hours all up, so I figured I should get some done. And I can spend... Yesterday guys, go back, if you haven't watched it, go back and watch the floodwaters, Sumatran floodwaters video, the last one. Killer of a day, really a killer of a day. This is where I'm staying guys, the Hotel MM. It's on Google Maps. Oh, I was wrecked guys. I did about 2.5 hours today. That was enough, that really was enough. I'm still sore from yesterday. Picked up a little bit of a bug I think, but I should be alright by tomorrow. Morning, we're ready to go. The next immigration is at Jambi, which is about 5.5 Google Maps hours from here. And we know from 2022 that getting your visa extension here isn't like Philippines. It doesn't take 20 minutes, it takes more like 2 or 3 days. So I'm going to do my best to ride hard today, get there in 1 day, or get as close as I possibly can. And then we can have a lazy couple of days while we wait for our visa extension. And I'm trying to find some nasal spray guys because I'm a bit blocked up still. I'm feeling a lot better than yesterday, that's for sure. But I'm still a bit blocked up. But it just took 10 minutes for these people to realise what I was talking about, even though I was doing Google Translate. I won't be stopping again guys because I've got such a big day today, and those stops are what slow the day right down. But I don't know if I mentioned it before, but I'm feeling a 100% on yesterday, and normally I wouldn't put 98 in an old motor like this. 95's good, But because of that crap I put in yesterday, well, I don't know if it was crap or not, but 98 will dilute that a bit. And we're in the middle of nowhere, really. I haven't even seen an Indomart or a Alpha Mart for an hour. Look at this gorgeous mosque just tucked in here in the middle of nowhere. Amazing, guys. Really, really beautiful. I hope the GoPro is doing it justice, because that's an amazing looking building. Stopped getting some lunch, bakso. I've eaten here before at this place, really good. But for the last 2 days I've been filming and there's no audio. I thought I'd fixed it. This is on the other GoPro. The other GoPro was originally helmet cam, but after that really wet day, the flood waters, the microphone didn't work, so I changed over, but the microphone on the other one, as you saw earlier on, it's really scratchy, but that was the only stuff that I could save. The rest of it was unusable. And then all the stuff I've done in the last couple of days on hand cam didn't work either, guys. No audio at all. And I thought I'd fixed it, but I just did a big monologue back at the resort. Yeah, I'm staying at a resort, $30 a night US, and I looked at another couple of places. One was 20 a night, one 25. They were just terrible. This place is really nice, but catching you up on everything, I applied for my visa extension. The girl said, yep, it'll take 3 days. Really nice people. And I said, because if you remember the guys that have been following me in Sumatra Bazaar in 2022, the guy said it was going to take 5 days because there was a weekend in between. And it ended up taking 2. So I booked this hotel for 5 nights at Sumatra Bazaar. So I said to the girl, and I rented a motorbike for 5 days, so I was stuck with this stuff when I could have left. But it doesn't matter, So I said to the girl yesterday, I said, are you 100% sure it won't be quicker? And she said, no, it'll be at least 3 days. I said, yeah, right. So I booked this hotel. It's Tuesday today. I'm booked in there till Friday. And I went in there this morning to take the receipt from the bank, because you pay at the bank, and a letter from my hotel saying, yes, I am staying there. She said, oh, congratulations, you can pick up your visa this afternoon. So now, again, I'm booked in here till Friday. I told her, no, I'll pick it up tomorrow morning, but I can spend 2 days here making a video here. There's quite a bit to see. So hopefully I can fix up this GoPro problem, and that one can go back at helmet cam. The one that's had no audio at all can go back as helmet cam. It was very frustrating. And this is my hotel, guys, the Quito Resort. It's okay. I imagine it was really good in its day. This girl, hello again. Still lovely, comfy, and $30 US. Can't complain. Have a really nice breakfast here in the morning. Got the swimming pool up there, got another restaurant and sort of reception area at the other side. With my rooms up here. And they've got all these little lakes with running water all the way through. Really well, not ventilated, I can't remember, irrigated, whatever it's called when it's a lake. Full of goldfish, full of big carp. Koi, that's the word, koi fish. And yeah, My room's the same as these, but on this side, just up here, I quite like it here. So it's the same as when I was in Sumatra, Bazaar. I got a nice room there as well. So it's not so bad being stuck here when I don't have to, but I would have rather have been on the road tomorrow. This is immigration in Jambi. Almost said Jambi again. I always go back to, when I see a foreign language, I kind of think in Spanish. And because J is Y in Spanish, that's why I keep calling it Jambi, guys, but it is Jambi. Yeah, this is immigration here. It was a very, very easy process. Really nice people, happy. So I'm just going in to pick up my passport now. They said 3 days, but like I said, it was done the next afternoon. So don't do what I did twice now in 2022 and now. Book your hotel for the rest of the week, only to find out you only needed an extra day. Well guys, I like this town. Really nice, and I like this resort. For $30 US a night, this is really, really good. Now, I've got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.